What if I told you that with just $100,000, you could generate over $700 in monthly income that grows automatically every single year, even while you're sleeping? Today, I'm going to reveal 3 dividend machines that have survived every market crash since 2008, paid out billions to investors, and are still quietly minting money for anyone smart enough to own them. But before I show you these wealth-building machines, let me tell you about Sarah, a teacher who thought she found the perfect dividend stock. 20% yield, growing dividends for years, backed by one of America's most trusted utility companies. She put her entire $50,000 retirement savings into it. 6 months later, her safe dividend stock eliminated its dividend completely, and her retirement fund was cut in half overnight. This is exactly why most people never achieve early retirement through dividends. They chase the highest yields instead of finding machines that actually last. But here's the thing. Real dividend machines aren't just about high yields. They're about creating a cash flow system that works whether the market is up, down, or sideways. So if you want to discover how ordinary investors are building retirement income that grows every year, then stick around because this could be the game changer your portfolio has been waiting for. Now that story about Sarah? It's not fiction. It's based on what happened to thousands of investors who bought NextEra Energy Partners, thinking they'd found dividend gold. This company looked absolutely perfect on paper. It was backed by NextEra Energy, one of America's premier utility companies. It had grown its distribution every single quarter for years. Management was guiding for inflation-beating growth. The business model seemed bulletproof. Long-term power purchase agreements with investment-grade companies. But here's what most investors missed while they were hypnotized by that 20% yield. The balance sheet was a ticking time bomb. The company was borrowing money just to pay dividends. They were essentially running a Ponzi scheme, using debt to create the illusion of sustainable income. The market saw this coming, which is why the yield kept climbing. Higher yields often mean higher risk, not higher rewards. When reality finally hit, NextEra Energy Partners didn't just cut their dividend. They eliminated it completely to focus on paying down debt. Investors who thought they were buying a reliable income stream watched their retirement plans crumble overnight. This is the dividend investor's nightmare, and it happens more often than you think. But here's the good news. It's completely avoidable if you know what real dividend machines look like. See, a true dividend machine isn't just a stock that pays high dividends. It's a cash flow factory built on 6 unbreakable pillars. First, it generates recession-resistant cash flows. These are businesses that people need regardless of what's happening in the economy. Think utilities, pipelines, essential infrastructure, the unglamorous stuff that keeps the world running. Second, it has a crisis-tested dividend history. Anyone can pay dividends when times are good. The real test is what happens during the 2008 financial crisis, the COVID crash, or when interest rates spike. Did they maintain their dividends, or did they fold under pressure? Third, the dividend is covered by actual cash flows, not borrowed money. This means the company generates enough profit to pay the dividend and still have money left over. They're not cannibalizing themselves to keep investors happy. Fourth, they have a fortress balance sheet. Low debt, plenty of cash, and financial flexibility to weather any storm. Remember, even the best business model can't save you if the company is drowning in debt. Fifth, ideally they pay monthly instead of quarterly. This might seem minor, but psychologically it makes a huge difference. Getting 12 paychecks per year instead of 4 makes your income feel more stable and reliable, plus it compounds faster. And finally, they trade at reasonable valuations. You can't just buy any dividend machine at any price. Even the best company becomes a bad investment if you pay too much. These 6 pillars separate real dividend machines from dividend traps, and that's exactly what I look for in every investment. Now let's talk about our first dividend machine, the Reeves Utility Income Fund, ticker UTG. This isn't just another utility ETF. It's a carefully managed fortress that's been paying and growing dividends since 2004. Think about that for a second. This fund has survived the 2008 financial crisis, the COVID crash, multiple interest rate cycles, and every economic curveball thrown at it over the past 20 years. Currently, UTG yields 7.32%, which means every $10,000 you invest puts $732 in your pocket every year. But here's where it gets really interesting. This isn't just income, it's growing income. Back in 2004, UTG was paying about 10 cents per share per month. Today, it's paying 19 cents per share per month. That's nearly double the income from the same investment. Let me put this in perspective. If you had invested $50,000 in UTG back in 2004, you'd have been getting about $3,600 per year in dividends. Today, that same investment would be paying you over $7,000 annually. That's the power of dividend growth. Your income keeps pace with inflation automatically. What makes UTG special is its conservative approach. It only uses 19% leverage, which is modest compared to other closed-end funds. This conservative structure helped it weather every storm while many aggressive funds got crushed. Plus, it's actively managed by Reeves, a team with decades of experience in utility investing. They're not just buying every utility stock. They're selecting the best income-producing infrastructure assets and managing risk actively. The beauty of utilities is that they're basically the most boring businesses in the world, and that's exactly what you want for reliable income. People need electricity whether the economy is booming or in recession. These companies often have monopolies in their service areas and predictable, regulated cash flows. UTG gives you exposure to this stability, while professional managers do the heavy lifting of stock selection and risk management. Our second dividend machine is Enbridge, ticker ENB. And this company is an absolute beast in the energy infrastructure space. Enbridge operates the liquid highway that keeps North America running. They transport about 25% of the crude oil and 20% of the natural gas consumed in North America. When you fill up your car or heat your home, there's a good chance Enbridge had a hand in getting that energy to you. Currently yielding around 6%, Enbridge offers something most dividend stocks can't: predictable growth. They're projecting 5% annual growth in distributable cash flow through 2029. Do the math. 6% current yield plus 5% growth equals potential 11% annual returns. But even more important than the returns is the sustainability. Here's what makes Enbridge virtually bulletproof. 98% of their cash flows are either contracted or regulated. This means they're not gambling on commodity prices or market volatility. They're essentially collecting tolls on energy infrastructure that the economy can't function without. It's like owning a piece of the highway system. People will always need to transport energy, regardless of economic conditions. The company has a BBB+ credit rating, which puts it in the same league as many government bonds in terms of financial stability. But unlike bonds, Enbridge actually grows over time. About 80% of their cash flows are inflation protected, which means as inflation rises, so does their income. This is crucial for long-term dividend investors because it means your purchasing power isn't getting eroded over time. And here's a bonus. Enbridge is positioning itself perfectly for the AI revolution. Data centers consume massive amounts of energy, and Enbridge's natural gas utilities are prime candidates to power this growth. Whether the future is more renewable or more traditional energy, Enbridge wins either way because they own the infrastructure that moves it all. Our third and final dividend machine is Ares Capital Corporation, ticker ARCC, and this one's for investors who want serious yield without sacrificing sustainability. ARCC yields over 9%, which immediately raises red flags for most experienced investors. Remember our earlier lesson about high yields often signaling high risk? Well, ARCC is the exception that proves the rule. ARCC is a business development company, or BDC, which means they lend money to middle-market companies. Businesses too big for traditional bank loans, but too small for Wall Street. Think successful regional companies, family businesses that have been around for decades, and growing enterprises that need capital to expand. These aren't risky startups. They're established businesses with real cash flows and assets. What sets ARCC apart is their track record. They've been paying dividends for 29 years and have actually grown their dividend over that time period. Even during the 2008 financial crisis, they maintained their payments. Their current dividend is covered 1.12 times by earnings, meaning they generate 12% more cash than they pay out. That's your safety margin right there. ARCC is managed by Ares Management, one of the world's most respected alternative investment firms. These guys manage over $400 billion in assets and have been through multiple economic cycles. They're not cowboys taking crazy risks. They're institutional quality managers with skin in the game. Now, I'll be honest, BDCs face some headwinds. Interest rates might fall, which could compress their margins since they mostly make floating rate loans. Competition in the private credit space is increasing. But here's the thing. ARCC has navigated these challenges before and come out stronger. Their diversified portfolio, conservative underwriting, and experienced management team make them as close to bulletproof as you can get in the high-yield space. Now, here's how these three dividend machines work together to create a retirement income portfolio that would make even financial advisors jealous. You've got UTG providing that steady utility backbone. Think of it as your portfolio's foundation. Then you have Enbridge adding energy infrastructure exposure with built-in inflation protection. Finally, ARCC delivers that high-yield component backed by real assets and experienced management. Together, these three give you diversification across different sectors and different types of income. UTG focuses on utilities and infrastructure, Enbridge dominates energy transportation, and ARCC provides exposure to private credit and middle market lending. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket. You're building a three-legged stool where each leg supports the others. A balanced approach might look something like this: 40% UTG for stability and monthly income, 35% Enbridge for growth and inflation protection, and 25% ARCC for high current yield. But these aren't meant to be your entire portfolio. Consider adding a broad dividend ETF like SCHD for diversification, or maybe JEPQ for some tech exposure with covered call income. The beautiful thing about this combination is that you're getting diversification across time as well as sectors. UTG pays monthly, so you're getting consistent cash flow. Enbridge and ARCC pay quarterly, spreading your income throughout the year. You're creating a retirement paycheck that arrives like clockwork, month after month, year after year. Let's bring this all back to earth with some real numbers. If you invested $100,000 across these three dividend machines, say $35,000 in UTG, $35,000 in Enbridge, and $30,000 in ARCC, you'd be generating approximately $700 per month in dividend income right from the start. That's $8,400 per year, or an average yield of about 8.4%. But here's where it gets really exciting. This income grows over time. With UTG's history of dividend increases, Enbridge's projected 5% annual growth, and ARCC's track record of raising distributions, in 10 years, that same $100,000 investment could be generating $1,000 or more per month. Compare that to the S&P 500, which currently yields about 1.3%. Your $100,000 would only generate about $108 per month. This is the difference between hoping your investments go up and knowing your investments pay you. While other investors are checking stock prices and worrying about market timing, you're collecting checks and sleeping well at night. That's the power of dividend machine investing, turning your money into an income-producing asset that works harder than you do. Look, early retirement isn't about perfect market timing or finding the next Tesla. It's about building reliable, growing income streams that eventually replace your paycheck. These three dividend machines have proven they can deliver exactly that, through good times and bad. So here's my question for you. Which dividend machine are you most interested in adding to your portfolio first? Are you drawn to UTG's monthly payments and utility stability, Enbridge's inflation-protected energy infrastructure, or ARCC's high yield backed by real assets? Drop a comment below and let me know your choice and why. And if you found this valuable, smash that like button because it tells YouTube to show this to other investors who need to see it. Subscribe for more dividend strategies and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.